Hello everyone and welcome back. It's been a long while since I posted anything on the channel. It's February in 2023 already. It's going to be the first video I've posted this year. But lots of things have changed, so we'll get in it after this. So yes, hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me once again. As I said in the intro, a lot has changed in 2023 already, and the first big change of the year is that car that's now parked outside there. Unfortunately, we have had to say goodbye to the Jaguar. It was a fantastic car for the 3 years we owned it. However, it's time for something new. I get bored of cars really easily. Now, the new car outside there, I've already got some goodies to fit to it today, so we're going to get cracking on that shortly. However, let's take you outside and see what it is. And here it is, my new to me 2017 plate Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition. Now, boring fact, this is actually already more practical than the Jag was. 190 litres more boot space. It's only got 150 brake horsepower, however I'm pretty sure we can change that with the remap soon enough. But like I said, today I've already got some goodies to fit onto it, so we're going to be sticking on the alloys. I've also got a little boot spoiler, I think it's like a BMW M3 or M2 rep spoiler that I'm going to be sticking on the back here as well. So let's actually have some fun and get these bits on. Okay, so whilst I've got these wheels off, I've decided I'm going to give these calipers a quick paint. Okay, so that's this side done. Now time for the other. Okay, so with the wheels done, I now really want to fit this spoiler. What I've done is I've bought some 3M red back tape, which apparently is the stuff to go to if you want to stick stuff to your car, like a little spoiler. Now, I didn't want to go at it with Tiger Seal. However, if this doesn't work, then obviously I'm going to have to go down that route. But hopefully this works, so let's get it on. Go, my new to me Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition. I'm absolutely loving the addition of the black 19-inch Riviera alloy wheels as well as the black M3 style boot spoiler. Now, I have also replaced the Audi badges with black ones, which I have done previously and I've done a video on it, so I'll just pop a link up here where you can see how I go about doing that. So obviously it was really sad to say goodbye to the Jaguar. However, this thing just is a little bit more practical with the boot space, and obviously the interior space is a lot more than the Jag actually was. So hopefully there'll be a few more fun videos on this one, not so many problematic ones as the Jag. So we'll see how that goes. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.